God, let this show become successful and let us get out of the incredible debt that my fucking stupid ass, dick ass husband got us in with his fucking gambling problems. Today we're gonna make my favorite mixed vegetable pasta. Oh, it is so good. Now I already started sauteing these. Fuck their burgers. Okay. Pre-peeled garlic, throw it on in. Now this cooks for 3 to 5 minutes. Jesus Christ, let me know when you're done, okay? Now, are you getting a shot, sweetie, of the mushrooms, Dick? Okay. Just a big old chunk of this vegan butter, 80% vegetable oil, so it's okay if you indulge. You know what?
No.
What the fuck is this? Why do you have your fucking notebook in my kitchen? Dear diary, today I felt scared. There was a tiny cat that walked by me and I'm a little superstitious. What the fuck? Do you remember this brown rice quinoa organic pasta?
Yes! From the store.
We're just gonna throw this organic quinoa pasta right in there for 7 to 10 minutes. So it's looking like the pasta is nice and ready. We're just gonna pour it out. Where's the strainer? Can you go to the strainer? Quickly. Oh fuck, your fucking penguin cup. Okay, great. We're just gonna pour the pasta just like that. See if this pasta is all done cooking. Okay? So we just gotta taste it and make sure it's nice and cooked. Why are you filming this, you wobbly fuck bucket? And here you have it, my famous mixed vegetable pasta. Enjoy.